Hey there, artists. So, welcome to the second day of our pop-up hot chocolate mug. In the first class, I showed you how we made a background, we added a table, and then we put a window with a landscape. This type of artwork, when you glue papers to other papers, is called a collage. What is it called? That's right, a collage. And today it's going to be time to make the mug. So we're getting our coloring supplies. We are getting a piece of paper that I will have folded for you and what looks like half of a heart. This is going to become the handle. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to cover our mug, what will become our mug, with colors and patterns. So for example, I was thinking I could do a rainbow pattern. Can you think of some other examples of patterns? You can use markers and crayons. I'm going to go ahead and use markers just to make them even brighter. And I'm not going to finish mine because you're not really here to watch me draw. So for instance, though, I could make, I'm going to change my rainbow so it's just in a line. And I can make a different pattern too if I wanted to make a different pattern. So we might talk about different ways that we can make patterns when you're in class. For example, if I have a pattern and it's heart, star, heart, star, heart, star, heart, what comes next? Are you thinking star, heart, star, heart, star, heart, star? A pattern is something we can guess at. And again, we'll take a better look at that. I just want to show you how you can make your mugs. So I'm not actually going to cover my whole piece up. I'm going to stop after I just do this front row. Also, there are two tabs on your mug. I forgot to mention these tabs. They go on the underside of your mug. They do not go up. The tabs are not going to be part of your mug and you do not need to color them. Let me say that again. The tabs go on the underside and you don't need to color them. All right, you do need to color all of this rectangle bit and also your handle. So let me go ahead and jump to the handle. I need to figure out which side I can decorate. Let's see, actually it doesn't matter which side you decorate. Let's see, I'm going to put a candy cane pattern. Red stripe, white square, 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 red stripe, white square. Okay, so that's going to take most of your art class. And as a matter of fact, I might even ask you to work on this part first and then show you the rest of the video later. Okay though, this is how you're going to finish your mugs. I've got my mug, I've got my handle, I've got what's going to become steam, fuzzy stuff, and sometimes we might even get one of these. It's called a doily, and it's just half of a piece. I'm going to start with my doily, which you might not have always. And the doily is going to be set on the table, and the flat line is going to match up with the top flat line here. So not like this, not down here, but like this. I need to put glue on the smaller paper. Which one is the smaller paper? It's the doily. It's got lots of holes on it though, so you might get glue on your fingers. That's okay. Oh gosh, I got way too much glue. Well, it'll dry. I can put it down there. Okay, now for the mug. This is what I'm going to talk about for a while. When you glue it, you are going to glue it so it's in the middle of your table or the middle of the doily. It does not go at the very top. This is the edge of your table. What happens if you put a cup at the edge of a table? Sometimes it falls over, doesn't it? So I'm going to put it, make sure it's on the table. And I don't want my mug to just be flat. I want it to pop up like this. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to flip it over. You should have two tabs folded over like this. I'm going to put glue on one tab only, just the tab that's showing, not the inside, Not both sides, not everything, just one line of glue right here. You see it? I'm gonna flip it over. The glue is on this side. Actually, yeah, just like this. And I'm gonna make sure that I like where that one is. Think about where it goes. This one's missing, that's okay. I'm gonna really hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm going to unfold this one and glue this tab here. Look, it's on actually, what I'm gluing is on the front of my mug. This strip right here, it's on the front. It's not on the back. Okay. If you get confused, your neighbors can help you. I put glue on this line right here that's on the front. And I'm going to lift up my mug because I need to glue it down, but I need to fold it so I can glue it. Instead of gluing it flat, I can even use my fingers and push it so that it can make a bump. All right, I'm gonna put it right here. Now to glue it, I'm gonna have to stick my fingers inside my mug and hold that strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I'm gonna show you the inside. Do you see the 2 little tabs like that? That's what it's supposed to look like, all right? Just like that. Okay, next, my handle. So do I glue my handle like this? Or do I glue my handle like this? Well, I hope you know the answer to that. We're gonna glue our handle and it's gonna be stuck over here. Just like you think about how you would hold it. Work smart, not hard. Think about what you're doing. Put glue on the back of my handle. And I'm going to set it down and make sure it's touching the mug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did not glue it on the mug. I glued it on the background, but it looks real. Next is my foam or my steam. So think about where you want your steam. Oh no, it's going to go over my window. Is that okay? Yikes. It's okay though because your mug is close to you. And the window is far away. So this is going in front of your window. Now, I said to put glue on the smaller part, but this is going to be too difficult. We're going to put 1 line of glue right on your paper and glue your steam on. All right, guys, I can press that down for 10 seconds, but I'm going to go ahead because I can't wait for you to start finishing up your mugs. Happy arting today.